Hello guys, if you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back to my channel. And today, as you've seen from the title, we're going to transform this room into a room that's suitable for the clean girl aesthetic that we are on TikTok. But first of all, let's start with outfit because this ain't given, so much better. This is gonna be the video of day one of transforming my lifestyle from a basic girl lifestyle to a clean girl aesthetic lifestyle. Okay, now that I look at myself in the mirror, like, is this even a clean girl makeup look? Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is fix this bed. I don't know how people can keep their beds like tidy all the time. Like, it's so weird to me. Like, sometimes like do fix it and make it, but like that's like 3 times a month. So what we're firstly gonna do is move all the junk, all the things that we don't need from our bed over there, because we're gonna talk about that. So the junk has been moved. So now I need to reassemble my bed because absolutely atrocious. I always put this one first because it's the most cozy, so I don't get cold at night. This is two-sided. This side, more white. That is done. That was the easiest step. That was the easiest part because there's a lot of work to do, guys. So we're gonna first do this part, which is this absolute disaster. Absolute disaster. Absolutely horrendous, but fix the camera. These are my past papers, science. No way, I just fixed my My deodorant is always on this cabinet because the first thing I do in the morning is put deodorant because I am not a smelly girl, I'm sorry. I will die, yes, but never smelling bad, never. I don't want my books. Wait, let's do a book count. Now I need to decide what to put on top of this shelf because it's either going to be my revision guides or my books, which I think I'm going to put my revision guides instead. This is for science, poetry, Romeo and Juliet, and spectacles, Christmas carol, poetry, English language, geography, computer science, citizenship, enterprise, lined paper, where I put my notes. Actually, I'm going to put it this way. Now I'm going to transfer everything into my last drawer. I'm going to put all of my books and revision like paper booklets in there. Now we're going to move over to my desk area, and that is going to be the scariest part because it's so messy. So this is the end of my desk and how I tied it up. I am very proud of this because it looks so much nicer than before. And a lot of people might be wondering why I even made this video because it's just about cleaning a room and normal thing that everyone should do. But I just did this video because I want to inspire other people into getting their lives together, get up, tidy your room up, do something good for yourself, because it's, for some people it's really hard. Even for me sometimes it's really hard to like take care after myself properly and make sure that everything is done properly. And seeing other people cleaning their rooms or like just taking care of themselves really inspires me a lot. So I want to be that kind of person for the people who are watching this video, so that I hope through this video some of you might realize how good I think it is to just get up, just tidy up, and like, trust me how less stressful it is to just have like a nice, neat, not messy room. It's just makes a really big change. And you know, sometimes like, at least for me, I feel like we have like shame when I get people coming to my room, like my brother, my dad, my mom coming to my room, because anyways most of the time it's messy. So now that it's clean and I know it's clean and tidy and everything, I get a sense of relief. So I want you guys to try out this thing and see what the benefits are. And I know at first it's really hard to maintain it, and I know there's a high likelihood this is not going to be the same room in like 2 days, but even just trying is the first step to success, because if you don't even try in the first place, then you're never going to get there. But at least if you try, there's a higher chance that you're going to achieve what you want to achieve. So if you want to stay tuned, please, after you subscribe, press the bell to get any notification that I get from me in my YouTube shorts. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section.